I'm going on a bicycle ride to see a life bird, I hope. This life bird, a species I've never seen before, is a kind of duck, a canvasback. So I guess I'm not going on a wild goose chase, but a wild duck chase. I made it, and I think I see it. It's a diving duck, I believe. There it is. Yes! Life bird, y'all. I'm gonna get my binoculars. This is so cool. I got the bicycle to go see a species of bird I've never seen before, right here in my own county. These beautiful ducks don't usually come as far south as here in Atlanta, and they breed as far north as the Arctic. Turns out it wasn't a wild goose chase after all, so that was fun.